So creating a YouTube channel in 2025 is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. And that's because YouTube is actually giving new creators opportunity to grow faster than before. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step and practical way of you launching your new YouTube channel. And I believe that is going to be the best decision you are taking. If you are watching for the first time, this is Two Metrics, and here we make sure we start, brand, optimize, and teach you how to grow on YouTube. You might want to watch this video to the end because missing one point can just be missing that exact thing you are looking for in order for your YouTube to grow. So before going into the practicals, these are the three things you need to know. The best psychology you need to approach YouTube is the psychology of niching down. The fact that you need to niche down. Before you start the YouTube channel, you have to have the vision of the YouTube channel in your heart. So maybe you will be thinking, I'm going to be doing comedy, or I'm going to be doing a face channel talking head video just like how you are seeing me now, or I'm going to be doing vlogging, or I'm going to be doing dancing. But you have to have a specific niche that you will need in order for you to do your YouTube channel. The niching is going to help you in your unique name, it's going to help you in your branding, it's going to help you in your optimization, it's going to help you in positioning your mind to know the exact target audience you are going to be filming for on YouTube. Here are the things you need in order for you to create the channel. Number one, you need a Gmail account. Very, very important. You need a laptop or a phone in order for you to access the YouTube web, right? So you need a laptop or a phone. Then you need to turn your phone into desktop mode if you really want to get the best out of that channel. You want to optimize it the way you want. You need to turn your phone into desktop mode. So without wasting much time, let's enter into the practical. So here's how to do your YouTube channel quickly. I'm going to head over to your Chrome. Once you have gone into your Chrome, just the way you are seeing me doing it right, we type YouTube, then it's going to bring this interface of YouTube. If you already have an account, you are going to be seeing the profile picture of your account here. But if you don't have it, then you can just basically sign in. But I have an account here already, so I'm not going to sign in. I'm just going to click on the profile picture here. And then one thing you have to understand that if you don't have the account, you're just going to see this thing called sign in. This thing is going to be replaced with sign in here. So now that I have the account, I'm going to go into switch channel. I'm going to go into switch channel, and then you are going to go to view all channels. Immediately you enter into view all channel, I have an account already, so we are going to create another account. You can create up to 3 accounts using the same Gmail, but it's not advisable that you do that. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to do that. So immediately you will be brought to this specific interface here, and then you are just going to select a picture. So here you are going to see a list of so many illustrations that you can use as your logo. If you want to create a cartoon network, you are going to like this one that I am doing right now. But if you don't want to create a cartoon network, you will not be interested. You will go to from my computer. That is why I actually say I recommend that you use your laptop in order for you to create a channel. Many people can use your phone. I'm not against your phone, but you can use laptop. So I'm just going to choose one of my random picture here. This picture of me in the studio, and then I click open. So that becomes your profile picture, right? That becomes your profile picture. It's going to appear round all the time. It's going to appear round all the time. So you just click on it like this. And then you now begin to put your name, the name of your channel, basically. Let us say um life of Frank. Just put it like life of Frank. YouTube is going to automatically generate a handle for you immediately you do this, but you can choose to customize the handle to fit you. Make sure it's unique, make sure it's easy for people to click through. So you should put life of Frank, and this green thing does not show, that means it is not approved. So let's put life of Frank 2025, and let us see. You see, life of Frank 2025 works. Life of Frank 1, let's check whether it works. It still works. So we are going to choose life of Frank 1, then for it to be easily accessible, and then you click on create channel. Now your channel have just been created. So you are a former YouTube partner. Let me not put it like that, partner. So your channel have been created. You go over to your account again. Then you go to switch account, the way you see it, and then you click here in order to go to the life of Frank, right? Then the next thing you want to do is the branding. This is very, very, very important. The branding is as important as the success of the channel. So you have to put all effort to it. So you will go to customize channel. It's going to take you to the YouTube Creator Studio immediately for you to customize it. So you see it says welcome to YouTube Studio. Continue. You click on continue. Here is requesting for your banner. Banner is a welcome flyer that is long, welcome flyer that is long that advertises your channel. It advertises your channel. It's just like a catalog of your channel, right? So you click, you choose a banner. In this case, I'm just going to choose something random in my system. Let me look for something. Okay, let us put ice cream. Or let's use this chalk culture. Let's use this chalk culture. You can see it's saying image must be at least 1024 to 576 pixel. So I am choosing the wrong image. Make sure your image is good for banner, right? So we can use, let's just use this PNG and let us see how it looks like. Okay, we just customize it. Anything. The meaning of what they are trying to say is that your image must be in landscape. That's just the whole meaning. But it should not be more than 6 MB. It should be 6 MB and down. That's how the YouTube banner works, right? So you can now click done. Then it's just going to come like this. The next thing is you can choose to change your profile picture. The next thing is going to be your description, which is very, very important. This is when your vision come in, what you are going to be doing on the channel comes in. This is when your niche actually come in. For description, you can go over to ChatGPT and you are going to type this as a YouTube consultant. I'm starting a YouTube channel about vlog, about maybe vlogging is my day-to-day life. I decide to record it and I put it on YouTube. That is vlogging. Yes, you can put another niche, anything you want to be doing, and you can put faced video, tutorial, education, anyone at all. In gaming, you can just put it. And so I say, give me, and remember this, SEO optimized description of the channel with viral with viral keywords. So you see, then you click and you let ChatGPT do the magic. Like welcome to your go-to vlog channel for real stories, epic adventure, everyday inspiration. So you can see it has just created the description for us, and then you just get the description and then put it here. They say it's too long, so since it's too long, you just reduce some of this, right? And then voila, part of your video and watermark. So if you have a, let's say, a logo, this is one of the places you should be putting it. So let me put this chop culture here, and you can just put it. That's why I say you should use laptop, because you are not going to find most of these settings on your phone, and then you are good to go. So if you can see, our brand, everything has been put in place, and the channel as it is now is ready to be launched and is ready to receive videos. So if you can see, our brand, everything has been put in place, and the channel as it is now is ready to be launched and is ready to receive videos. So in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the settings you need to put in place in order for you to be visible on YouTube. Please don't miss it.